Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2019 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number X974XX, 18,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, silver ice metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper and a certified pre-owned scheduled maintenance program. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers, family friendly with hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Equinox is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera and rear parking sensors. All happen to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Back seats can be folded from the rear as well with a simple pull of the handle. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect media devices. All-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon and the city average of 30 on the highway. And approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.